So today we're making chocolate cupcakes from scratch, and I'll show you guys some cool cupcake decorating hacks. And these are the ingredients that we need for the cupcakes. And I'll link the recipe below. Okay, so first we'll do the Oreo cupcake hack. So I'm just using a 32 tip from Wilton. And then you get your crushed Oreos. I'm using mini Oreos. And sprinkle it on to the cupcake. And get one mini Oreo and place it on top. There you go. That's the first cupcake hack. Okay, so now we'll do the Nutella filled cupcake. So for this one, grab an icing tip, make a hole in your cupcake, then remove the tip and fill the hole with Nutella. And you can also use anything else that you want to fill it with. If you have raspberry sauce or whatever you'd like to fill it with. And there you go. Then you want to cover this up with the frosting. So again, I'm using the 32 tip. And there you go. And now once you bite into it, you'll have a Nutella filled cupcake. Okay, so for this one we'll do an ice cream sundae. So get an ice cream scoop or a tablespoon and just place it on top. Then you place the ingredients on it like you would on an ice cream sundae. So chocolate,